In this video, I'll show you how to play Roblox. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, before you watch through this video, ensure you go watch my previous videos I made about Roblox, how to sign up to Roblox on PC or laptop, what are you channel before starting Roblox. So ensure you go watch these videos before you get started with this video. Now, the first thing you need to do, you need to create an account on Roblox. I think I made a video about that, so ensure you check my channel on how you can create an account on Roblox. And once you are done creating an account on Roblox, you need to write down every details, right? And you need to be optional as regards to the kinds of game you want to play here. And one important thing is that I'll be attaching the original link to this Roblox in this video description, so ensure you use only the link I'll be attaching in this video description for your own safety, right? The roblox.com will be attached in this video description. So there are lots of games here, and I want to choose one right now. Let's say I want to play this game. So I've opened it previously, and I'm going to just open it. So I'm going to show you the basic keys you need, right, to play the Roblox game. So the very first thing you need to know, you need to master the buttons on your keyboard, right? So there's some buttons that are used to play this game. So the first button is the space button. If you want to jump on Roblox, tap on the space button, you jump. If you want to move, if you want to zoom your Roblox game, you use your mouse wheel to zoom it in, to zoom it out, right? To zoom it in, to zoom it out, you use your mouse wheel to do that. Then if you want to move front, you use the W button to move front. If you want to move left, you use the A button. If you want to move right, you would use the D button. If you want to move back, you use the S button. So there's some other buttons that are there, like the buttons for interaction. That is the E and the Q button, right? Then they have the buttons for common commands. That is the arrow, that is the T, and that is the Y. So these are basically some basic buttons you need to know, right, if you want to play this Roblox game on your PC, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.